Firstly, let's take a moment to appreciate the beautiful weather outside. In case you missed it, in our last episode, we started from scratch and conceptualized the unique feature of our creature. And as promised, I have given our magnificent creation a name. Say hello to Bubble. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, the channel where we explore the fantastic world of creature creation. I'm Vanshika, and today is an exciting day because we are diving into the part 2 of our series Creating My Own Creature. So, are you ready to meet our next creation? I have been brewing up some extraordinary ideas and I can't wait to share them with you. Firstly, taking the size of the canvas. You can choose your own size, whichever is convenient to you. So let's dive into. Firstly, taking a monoline brush in calligraphy section and creating a circle. Place it in the center and adjust it below the center line, which is vertical, and leave some more space upper side. Go to the wrench and select symmetry tool. So whenever you will draw on one side, it will show up on the other side as well, giving the shape to our creature's body. Now adding a new layer, I'll add all the features of my creation. Going with the ears, paws, creating the inner part of the ear, adding a nose, adding two eyes, adjusting it and filling it up, creating a fluffier hair kind of thing in the head, adding a stomach looking area, clearing it up to make it more precise. You can add whiskers to it if you want to. I'll go with some whiskers, or you can add some tail to him or her. I'll go with the whiskers. I felt it more cute. Cleaning up the paw areas, also the ear. And that's it. Now it's time to fill the colors to make it more cute. I don't know why I always kept forgetting about the blush, and I always do it after the video is completed. You can see it in the picture. I'll add it after the color. Adding some lighter tones in the body and much lighter in the stomach, and highlighting with a dark mocha kind of color with the inner part of the ear and the hairy fluffier thing. Adding some highlights into the eyes will make it little realistic kind of, and it will look more cute. Also adding a highlight in the nose to give some dimensions to him. Probably him. making some nails, or you can say lines into the paws. Now I'll add some cute shadows to him so it will look more coming up together like. So I will do a new layer and select multiple, so it will darken the color shade of your body ka color, and it will give a dimension to your creature. It's up to you if you want to add or not, and play it around. If it gets messy, you can always clean it up earlier because it's not a real canvas. It's so easy in Procreate to do this stuff which we are not able to do in real life. See, adding some inner shadows also. You guys tell me, what do you think about every creation in comments, please. Tell me what do you want to see in the comments down below so I can make it for you guys. Adding some cute inner shadows in the eyes also gives some depth to your creation. Always put the shadows opposite to highlights. Adding a cute little mouth to make it more cute. And see, I'll finish it up with my initials, but I forget about putting the blush. I'll pop the picture in the side. So if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more fantastical adventures. This is Vanshika signing off until the next chapter in our creative journey. Happy creating, everyone.